took my hand, you showed me how. You promised me you'll be around. Oh, that's right. I took your words and I believed in everything you said to me. Yeah, that's right. Need someone said 3 years from now you'll be long gone. I cleansed up and punched them out, 'cause they're all wrong, and I know better, because you said forever and ever. Who knew? Remember when we were such fools and so convinced and just too cool? Oh, no, no. I wish I could touch you again. I wish I still could call you friend. I'd give anything. When someone said count your blessing now, you're long gone. I guess I just didn't know how. I was all wrong and they knew better. Still you said forever and ever. Who knew? I'll keep you locked in my head until we meet again. Till we meet again. I won't forget you, my friend. What happened? If someone said 3 years from now you'd be long gone, I'd stand up and punch them out, 'cause they're all wrong. The last kiss will cherish until we meet again. It makes it harder. I wish I could remember, but I keep your memory. You visit me in my sleep, my darling. Who knew? My darling.